Hi, I'm the Barbecue Butcher. Today I'll be cutting the Ebony Black Angus Scotch Fillet. This will be used at the Westshore Beach Inn Barbecue Battle in Napier, New Zealand. This will be taking place in September the 11th, 12th and 13th. So this will be the steak that will be used in that category. So if you have a look, we're going to be cutting. Remember how to cut is, if you want about a 300 gram steak, use 2 fingers and mark, and then again. This is just an easy way for you guys learning how to cut steak. And just mark them up so they're all the same size. Go about that far. We'll start here, and remember, go forward, pull back, forward, all in one motion. Forward, back, forward and back. And have a look at these. The marbling of them is amazing. You can just see it all in there. This is 100-day grain-fed beef. And then you can leave this whole piece whole if you want to roast it, or you can continue on cutting it. But that's up to you. So just remember that. This will be used at the Westshore Inn Barbecue Battle. Thank you, and remember to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.